You know that urge to explore? That constant need to find what lies beyond? That's what defines the boundaries of the world you'll see, the limits of the life you'll live. And from our first motorcycle to the last ride you've taken, you've expanded the map of your life. And with you, motorcycling has traveled, crisscrossing cities, countries, and continents, till it's become a borderless way of life. A culture built from the miles under your belt. For more than a century, you've journeyed from cape to cape and ridden to the top of the world, taken treacherous routes to ancient kingdoms in the clouds. You've crossed frozen lakes, even danced upon volcanoes, until the map of your life has touched the ends of the earth. And in our 120th year, we've kept those wheels rolling, continuing what you started as we ride across the final frontier, flying your flag with the South Pole in our sights.
It feels completely alien. It feels like you're on a different planet. It's only white. You can't even see a single rock or stone or pebble, nothing.